Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the another important chapter, that is infrastructure. We know that protection of community received capital. When we talk about the capital structure of a country, we generally include in it factory, plant, machine, tools and other implement which are required for the productions of goods. But we ignore very important thing. Can any capital structure operate itself or is isolation? Does it require a transport facility to bring raw material to the factories, to send finished good to the market center, communication facilities? You'd agree that where from the production distribution goods we require physical capital such as factory, plant, machine, tool, implement, etc. We also require service such as transport, communication, education, health. These core elements of economic and social change which serve as a foundation of economic growth and social development of a nation term as infrastructure. Infrastructure facility include both economic and social. Infrastructure are indeed basic service facility for our economic. The nature of infrastructure installation is that these do not directly produce things but serve as a support system to productivity activities of the economy. Example: railway, road, dam, canal, power plant, telecommunication, water supply, sanitation, school, college, university, hospital, etc. Now the question is arise why infrastructure required in economy, why it is important. The following point can be explained. The first, the rapid development of a country largely depend on the sound infrastructure. Whether it is agriculture sector, industrial sector or tertiary sector, without the infrastructure the output cannot be enhanced. Take the instance of agriculture: sufficient arrangement of irrigation power in the country and the availability of finance in a time boost of agriculture production. The industrial output also get momentum with the help of power, transport, technical know-how facilities. Similarly, in the absence of efficient means of communication, information technology, transportation, outsourcing, tourism, other service cannot be flourished. Likewise, education, training, health facilities help in the development of human capital in the country. Next, infrastructure. The size of the market, expenses of market goes hand in hand with the development of transport, communication facilities. Development of infrastructures, the size of market beyond the domestic territory of the country. Now the sale and purchase of various commodity has become possible even to the distance place. Next, infrastructure promote skill and formation, increase efficiency and mobility of labor. Efficiency of labor increase due to education, training, health facilities. Transport facility make it possible for the workers to go to distance place for work. This increase their mobility. Next, infrastructure development ensure easy and adequate supply of finance. Development of financial institutions ensure easy availability of finance, which induce investment leading to the raise in the level of production. It not only help in raising finance in the domestic market but also induce inflow of FDI and fill in the country. If proper attention is not paid to the development of infrastructure, it is likely to be act as a constraint on the process of economic development in the country. Keep this fact in view. The various plans have been focused attention on the expansions of infrastructure facilities. Our efforts set and lies make it clear that without these basic service facilities, no economy can be function. The classification of infrastructures divided into two parts, that is first is economic infrastructure, second is social infrastructure. The economic infrastructure include those service facilities which influence the production distribution system from within directly. It accelerates the process of economic growth. There are energy, transport and communication. Whereas social infrastructure, these include all those services which influence the economic process indirectly, accelerate the process of human development. These are education, health and housing. The main difference between the social and economic infrastructure is that social infrastructure influence the production and distribution system from outside, where economic infrastructure influence it from within, being the part of the system. Economic and social infrastructure are complementary to each other. Economic infrastructure improve the efficiency of economic resources, raise the level of the productions, and but it is not possible until the production is educated, population is educated, healthy to use efficiency. So they are complementary to each other and work hand in hand for the development of the country. Thank you.